AEON, stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in the short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. I see Aeon Biopharma like starting to really slowly increase in price, which is kind of interesting. And generally speaking, as I'm looking at this market, for me, it's really still just bearish. Man, 37,000 videos is how much I've done. There's a lot of freaking correction and a lot of freaking refinement that I've done. And generally speaking, yeah, it's fine for it to go up. It's totally fine. But without my proper confirmation and my real like shifts, there's just no goddamn reason for me to really move a finger. And I really mean what I say. And without the price ever giving me the rules, AEON stock is just, man, like, it's just like a bearish market. And I don't mean like to say that I'm just gonna short sell, but I really mean that I'm just a bearish market. Like, there's far more better setups than just this. So most of the time I'll just skip it, you know. That's why, because it's not really juicy. Although it's starting to pick up, it's not like I haven't seen this happen thousands of times before, you know. So if you want to make more money in a simple way in just weeks, click the first link in the description. There's a lot of sauce.